Hey guys, welcome back to S&S RC Planes. Today we're going to take the Master TX16s and I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery, which is labeled RTC on your radio. You don't have to change the battery. The radio will still work fine. It just won't keep track of normal time and your date. But this is how you can change it. It's pretty easy to do, so let's have at it.
Conan, what is best in life? To crush your enemies, see them driven before you, and to hear the lamentation of their women. That is good.
Throttle warning.
Now you see it says RTC battery low. Press any key. Now you could and it'll be fine, but it won't keep track of your time and date. Excuse me. So what we'll do is we'll change it. Like I said, it doesn't affect the radio at all, but it's annoying to have to keep pushing the button. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the battery out, just to be on the safe side. And to get it out of the way. Then you need a Phillips head and an Allen key for the two top screws. Those are Allen key. Not sure what size it is. I'm sure if you're doing this, you must have a set of Allen keys. So find one that fits. It's for the antenna. Take these two out. Then you have 4 Phillips head screws in the back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take those out. Make sure they're out and loose. Then carefully set those aside. Then carefully pop your radio apart. Pull the antenna out lightly. Take the grips, the rubber grips. They just pop right off. You can even, I believe you can leave them on the back. And it just pops apart. Nice and easy. Now here's the battery, right where my thumb is. We're going to change. Find something to pop it out with. We'll use a jackknife. There's a little metal tab, guys, holding it in. If you bend it back a little bit, I'll show you. Right here, there's a little metal tab up here. You gotta bend it upwards. Very easy. There we go. Now you go online to Amazon whoever you want. And you pick up these. You only need one, but I got a 5-pack. The CR1220. They're 3 volt. Take one of those out. Oh, there's the new one. And you can see pop it right back in. It's the numbers facing you, facing up, and the plus symbol. Pop it right back in there. It's pretty simple, guys. And then you bend the tab back. Be careful, very careful bending that tab. So there it is. Should be all set. Put the back on the radio. Pop the rubber grips back on, and it'll help hold it together so you can test it. Pop the antenna back in place. What I'm going to do is just pop the battery back in it so we can test it out. So you don't have to sit there through the painful process of me doing all the screws. Let's see if it worked.
What is best in life? Crush your enemies, see them driven before you, and to hear the lamentation of your women. That is good.
Flight mode stabilize.
No more RTC. We'll be able to set the date and time. Good to go. Simple, guys. See you next time.